Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel Paint Personify. Today, in this new series, I will be talking about Madhubani art, one of the very old known traditional art forms practiced in India. So, today we will be starting with the very basics of it, and we will cover one of the aspects of it, the lines. You can see it here. I've just drawn some straight lines through my pilot pen, which is black in color. So we will be drawing out our border lines through this pen. You can use any other ink pen or gel pen that you want. You can buy these from your shops locally or even from Amazon. The best part about creating any Madhubani art painting is that you don't need a lot of stuff to create one, and it is very therapeutic. As one by one, you just start creating by small lines, shapes, and it just forms out into a beautiful artwork in the end. So don't forget to watch till the end. As you can see here, I have created a very basic shape of a fish, and now we will create some fins and some tail and some very basic shapes for the fish. The best part about Madhubani art is that you always need to just create very simple double outlines and fill in the colors or lines that we're going to do today in that particular shape. And that's it, your painting will be ready. No need to get worried about any of the lines going a bit off from the previous one, or even as you can see in my painting that there's some color that has kind of scattered in the tail area. It's all fine, just keep going, keep enjoying the process, and that is what is important. And I promise you will love the end result that we achieve. So today we're going to cover all this shape with only lines. I'm going to quickly create one center eye for the fish to be completed, and as you can see we will also make a double outline for the same, because that is one of the most basic and important characteristics of a Madhubani art painting. Moving forward, here are my colored pens from the same brand that I'll be using to fill up this shape. You can use any other pen that you have, or you can also purchase the same through Amazon or through any other local stationery shop. As you can see, I have started to fill up the fins of the fish by this green color pen, and I'm simply making these fine lines throughout the area. Moving forward, I have now taken a bright yellow pen shade that I'm going to start filling the same lines in the tail area. Don't be worried if any of your lines go haywire or bit here and there. Just keep going and enjoy the process, because that's what painting is all about. You can also create some triangles, because those are also derived from these single lines, and you can create some different shapes as well that are derived through lines. Once you're done, you'll be able to achieve something similar looking to this, or you can create your own patterns and fill up your whole shape and share in the comment how your painting looks after this process. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos.